If it were easy, everyone would do it. Setbacks, yeah, they come at you fast. You get smacked in the mouth, hit from all angles. Some days, you want to throw it in, but you don't. You go bigger and go harder. You get back up and do until it's done. And you find someone to help you fuel what's possible. To raise your game with the tools and the talent to scale it up to better. There's no more fear of taking on your inner entrepreneur. Now it becomes the glorious expression of the human spirit it was always meant to be for you. Enabling your business isn't the only thing we do. It's everything we do.